Most business owners and managers think they are leading, but in reality, they are reacting. Poor communication, unclear expectations, and emotional decisions quietly damage teams and profits. In this video, we are sharing how to improve your leadership skills before it's too late. The first step to improving your leadership skills is upgrading your decision clarity. Strong leaders do not rush decisions, and they do not avoid them either. They create a simple decision filter. Before making a call, ask 3 questions. Does this move align with our long-term goal? Does it protect cash flow and operational stability? Will it strengthen or weaken team trust? This filter reduces emotional reactions and improves consistency. Next, focus on expectation precision. Most performance issues are not talent problems, they are clarity problems. Define what success looks like in measurable terms. Instead of saying, improve sales, say, increase monthly recurring revenue by 12% in the next 90 days by focusing on repeat customers. Clear metrics remove confusion and protect morale. Improve your feedback system. Do not wait for annual reviews. Weekly micro-feedback conversations create faster growth. Keep it structured. 1 strength, 1 improvement area, 1 action step. When feedback becomes normal and not emotional, your team grows faster and respects your leadership more. Another powerful leadership upgrade is emotional control under pressure. Your team studies your reactions more than your instructions. If you panic when revenue drops or when a client complains, your team absorbs that fear. Instead, practice pause leadership. When tension rises, slow your speech, lower your tone, and focus on solutions. This builds psychological safety. People perform better when they feel safe to think. Next, delegate outcomes, not tasks. Weak leaders assign small tasks and micromanage details. Strong leaders define the result and allow flexibility in execution. This builds ownership and prepares future leaders inside your organization. Also, invest in strategic thinking time. Block 1 hour each week to review numbers, bottlenecks, and upcoming risks. Leadership is not only about today's fires, it is about preventing next month's crisis. Finally, build credibility through consistency. If you say meetings start at 9, they start at 9. If you commit to support your team, follow through. Leadership skill is not charisma. It is disciplined behavior repeated daily. Stay until the end of this lesson in your own growth journey, because small leadership upgrades compound into massive long-term results. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.